Hi, my name is Ultimate Asa, and today we're going to be doing a dunk contest, and I'm going to be the judge, and our players Jackson Warren, and so
let's see what he has.
See what dunk.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Hi. Oh, okay. About say 6. Zero. You didn't even do it. You have to touch the rim. Ooh, that was a bad. That'd be a 7. Actually, yeah, 9. Ah! 3, because you keep on doing the same thing over and over. I can't.
Just dunk it. See, that was good.
7, 0. Make it. Actually, 1. Oh, can't make it. 2, 6. I don't know why I can't make it. You did make it first, why not make it? Ashamed of myself. Okay. Wait, I know something I can do. Try that one time. Two. First one was 0. Jackson was 1. Maybe was 2. 0. Dude, you gotta get better at dunking. Okay, that is definitely gotta be about.
Asa's turn.
That's 10.
Let's see what Asa has.
Do I have to do a dunk?
Yep.